Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating F1E0 error code on your Whirlpool oven, you're in the right place. This error is one of the most common issues we've seen, especially in 2025 models, and today, we'll break it down step by step so you can get your oven back up and running quickly. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly does the F1E0 error code mean? In simple terms, it's a communication error between the oven's control board and its user interface. This could be due to a glitch in the system, preventing your oven from operating properly. Don't worry, it's often fixable without calling in a professional right away. Now, let's talk about the possible causes. The F1E0 error might stem from a few things, like a loose wire connection, a faulty control board, or even a power surge that disrupted the oven's electronics. In some cases, it's as minor as a software hiccup from a recent update. Identifying the root cause is key to fixing it efficiently. Alright, onto the solutions. Start with the easiest step. Unplug your oven from the power source for at least 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and might make the error disappear. Once you plug it back in, check if the code is gone. If not, inspect the wiring. Open the control panel carefully, make sure you're following safety guidelines, and look for any loose or damaged wires. Secure them if needed. If that doesn't work, try running a diagnostic mode if your Whirlpool model supports it. You can usually access this through the oven's settings menu. For more persistent issues, you might need to consider replacing the control board, but that's a job for someone with experience or a certified technician. Remember, if you're not comfortable tinkering with electrical components, it's always safer to call a professional. That wraps up our guide on fixing the F1E0 error code. We hope this helps you save time and money. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.